Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Game Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Okay, so announcement muna tayo bago tayo mag-start. Starting today, magkakaroon na tayo ng new episode, KNG, Then and Now. So kasama ko po si Kier. Ito actually na-upload na natin ang first one. Ayan, so it's about being responsible. In spite of the gap, yung time natin noon, yung generation natin plus generation ng mga kabataan ngayon, ano ba yung difference? So, yung magiging tema natin. So, please watch out for the different videos. Ang first vlog natin about that, ayan, nakalabas na po siya. Okay, so kahapon, I was able to attend the IMG convention sa Mall of Asia. Nagpapasalamat tayo kay Ma'am Laura Bautista and Ma'am Jen Quinto. Thank you for sponsoring me and Kier. Salamat sa IMG. Nakausap ko yung ilang official nila and nakinig tayo sa ibang mga speakers like Rex Mendoza and Bo Sanchez. Ayan, finally nakita ko rin ng personal si Bo Sanchez. And yung iba pa nilang mga yung mga members na naka-green jacket na we had time and fellowship, okay? So ito yung mga bagay na gusto kong share na natutunan ko kahapon sa IMG. Yung iba, narinig ko mismo sa mga nag-testimony, iba naman na-conclude natin na based from what had happened sa buhay nila, how IMG helped their life, okay? And ano ba yung mga realities sa buhay on finances. So, ito yung mga gusto kong share na pwede rin makatulong sa ating lahat kahit hindi ka member ng IMG, kahit di mo alam kung ano ang IMG. So, these are the realities of life, okay? Na dapat din dapat nating kapulutan ng araw and pwede nating gawin, okay? Pwede nating gawin so that we can change our life, okay? Number 1 po ay yan. Ito, simpleng OFW pero pwedeng magkaroon ng financial freedom at business. Okay. Isa siya sa mga sinabi ng mga nakatamo ng green jacket nila. Kahit isa kang simpleng OFW, you can experience financial freedom. Alright? Kung hindi ka man OFW, kahit simpleng tao, pwede kang magkaroon ng financial freedom. You don't have to be to graduate in prestigious school. Hindi kailangang magkaroon ka pa ng mga ganito, awards and everything. Maging author ka, something like that. Maging sikat ka bago ka magkaroon ng financial freedom. Kahit simpleng tao ka, simpleng OFW, pwede ka magkaroon ng financial freedom and financial business. Okay? So, you just open your eyes to the different opportunities sa paligid mo. Lagi ko sinasabi sa mga OFW natin, mga kababayan, or kahit hindi OFW, sa ating lahat, you open your eyes. Pag may nakilala kang isang tao, for sure, okay? For sure yung tao na yan, meron siyang dalang something for you to change your life. Alright? So, meron siyang may share sa'yo, meron siyang maitutulong. That's why, pag may kausap kang tao, pag meron kang nababasa, di ba? Try to go beneath the surface. Ano ba yung pwede magawa ng tao na to sa buhay ko? Okay? Like this, ngayon, after the church, may nakipag-meeting sa akin. Advisor ako ng, by the way, research advisor tayo. So, nag-lunch kami. Diniscuss yung thesis niya. So, naisip ko, abang kausap ko siya, iba na kasi ang, you know, when I meet different people, iba na yung aking target. Aside from yung helping him or her doon sa kanyang inilalapit sa akin, tinitingnan ko pa, ano pa yung pwedeng opportunity that these people can give me. Okay? So, nakita ko that I can help in the ministry. Isa na naman tong avenue to, you know, to help people para magkaroon pa tayo ng iba pang platform, okay, to help people. So, something like that. So, what I'm trying to say here is, yung mga simpleng tao, pwedeng babago yung buhay. If you will just try to look around you, na mayroong mga opportunity na dala sa atin. Pwedeng through people, through the book na ginagawa mo, by attending seminar. Sabi nga natin, sometimes it takes one seminar to change your life, di ba? Or it takes one book to change your life. It takes one question. It takes one conversation to change your life. Like yung tanong ko kanina in my previous vlog bago to, yung kung ikaw ay simpleng tao, tatanungin mo yung sarili mo, are you okay? Kumusta ka ba? Kumusta ka as an individual? Kumusta ka bilang tao? Bilang isang ordinaryong tao. Alright? So yun, simpleng OFW pero pwede magkaroon ka ng financial freedom. Okay? You just have to change your paradigm, try to see the positive things, okay? So, even outside IMG, pwede mo yung gawin, di ba? So, mas makakatulong siguro sa'yo if you're joining this IMG, di ba? So, it can help you. Ang dami ko kausap kahapon, sabi nila, most of the people pala doon, madami ng pera, pero simple lang sila, di ba? DH pa rin sila, pero they have money, okay? Nagkaroon silang financial freedom, alright? So, second, okay, sabi nung isang nag-testimony, my why is clear. My why is clear. Yung reason niya malinaw, okay? Malinaw yung reason mo sa mga ginagawa mo. Like, sabi nga ni Simon, ano apelido ni Simon? Yung one of the best speakers sa US. You have to know your why. So, you start with why. Bakit mo ba gustong magkaroon ng financial freedom? Di ba? You have to make it clear. Dapat clear sa'yo yun. Para saan ba yung kayamanang iniipon mo? Para saan ba yung investment mo? Para kanino ba yan? You have to answer your why. And it has to be clear sa'yo. Malinaw dapat yan. Ano yung why mo? Di ba? Ano yung why mo? What are your reasons? Ang like ko nga pong binabanggit, there are a lot of people who try to launch savings, investment, business, pero hindi nagtatagumpay. Bakit po? Kasi they didn't know they why. Hindi na nga nila alam ba't sila nagsisave eh. Pag tinanong yung mga tao, ba't ka nagsisave? Ba't nag-open ka ng account? What's that? Why did you join the co-op? Why did you become a business partner din sa kaibigan mo? You have to understand your why. Sometimes sila hindi nila alam yung why eh. Di ba? So, for our life to change, okay, and to have financial freedom, start with asking your why. Bakit mo gustong magkaroon ng ganyan? Is it for your family? Diba? Is it for your future na you don't want to see yourself going to your work every day from 8 to 5? Is that your reason? So, whatever is your reason, that must be clear. Sabi nung isang nag-testimony, my why is clear. Very clear ang reason niya. Okay? Very clear ang reason niya. And third is, ayan, financial freedom requires hard work. It's not easy. Okay? So, kung iniisip natin na ito lang ang buhay, madali lang maging successful, o pwede akong yumaman, I'm telling you, it's not easy. Alright? It's not easy. When I started to have my financial freedom, and I'm still working on it, but I started 2 years, when I started focusing on my finances, working on my finances, it was not easy. It's not an easy road, okay? Like now, today is, it's Sunday today, and I supposed to, to rest in my bed, watch TV, drink my coffee, but after church, I had a meeting, and now I'm working on my vlog, and pag weekdays naman, after work, I still, I work till 11:30, 12 o'clock, then I wake up at 4:30. So, it's not easy. It's not easy. So, when you started to set a target sa buhay mo, when you started to reach for your goal, it's not an easy road. So, tanggapin mo na hindi pala madali. Hindi madali. Para nun, ready ang isip mo, ready yung heart mo, ready yung katawan mo, that this is not an easy road, so that you can, yung stamina mo, masustain mo, so that you can do it until you win. Alright? So, that's the third. And fourth is, wherever you are right now, you can change your life. This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. Wherever you are right now, you can change your life. Diba? Pwede mabago yung buhay mo. Ma'am G, ang buhay, family ko hindi perfect, but you can change it. You can change your life. Hindi ako magtagumpay sa aking studies. Hindi magtagumpay. It's not working. But you can change your life in the midst of that. Ma'am G, nandito ako, broken ang family ko. Like kanina, ang daming na-message sa akin. They have family problems. OFW plus yung ibang pamilya dito. But in the midst of that, you can still change your life wherever you are. Diba? You just have to make a decision. Start with this decision and start in yourself. If there's a need for you to say sorry, if there's a need to you to reconcile, if there's a need for you to give up something, okay, to change your life, then do it. Do it. Diba? Kung meron tayong yung malaga baka meron kang dapat i-give up to change your life. But wherever you are, okay, wag mo na hintayin na maging perfect pa yung environment, maging perfect yung family mo, maging perfect yung tao sa paligid mo, your environment before you change. So, you can change your life wherever you are right now, okay? Ito kasi sinabi ng mga OFW, kahit OFW sila, na sinasabi natin, OFW ka lang, di ba? DH ka lang. But you know that there are people there na may mga malalaking pera because they have investment. Mas mabuti pa nga sila yung mga DH, may investment eh. Ay yung ibang nasa corporate world dito sa Pilipinas na naka coat and tie, nakakotse. They are just working to pay yung monthly payment ng kotse nila, ng bahay nila. Diba? So wherever you are right now, you can change your life. You can have financial freedom. Right? And, sige, number 5, ito binanggit ni Brother Bo kahapon. Sabi niya, to help others is a mission. Diba? Ganda, diba? Helping other people is a mission in life. Have a burden to help other people. Okay? Like, in my case right now, feeling ko ako yung, I don't have the reason to give up. I don't have the reason to, you know, to be lonely. And I don't have the right to be lonely. I don't have the right to give up, you know, to stop, to rest and everything. Because at present, there are many people na parang lagi naghihintay ng advice ko. Lagi naghihintay ng, you know, ng output ko. Lagi naghihintay ng, for me to say something, for me to stand, for me to show up. Diba? So, ang sinasabi ko po dito, meron tayong pananagutan. Okay? Meron tayong pananagutan. That's where IMG is coming in. So, yun yung pinanggagalingan ng IMG. Kaya ganun sila kasigasig mag-share. Okay? They found one system. Okay? They found one system that can help other people. That's why they are not stopping. Okay? Kasi kung pera lang reason yan, nakita ko yung founder, nakita ko yung mga board, siguro they are already rich, but they are not stopping. Because they already have this mission in their heart, the burden in their heart to help other people. Look at the rich people dito na lang sa Pilipinas, Henry C, Gokong Wei, 'di ba? Ayala, 'di ba? They have enough. They have enough to live na masagana, sobrang masagana pa, 'di ba? Even sa kahit kaapu-apuhan nila, kayang, you know, they can provide. But they are not stopping. Because it's not all about money now. It's not all about money. It's about their mission. It's about their mission to influence people, to change the lives of other people. Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, diba? Jack Ma, are they stopping? They are not stopping. Diba? Manny Pacquiao, is he stopping? No. Because they already have the burden in their heart that for them, they have this mission to help the people. They have this mission to help other people. Kanina lang nasa Victory Liner ako. Nabasa ko yung Entrepreneur Magazine. Meron isa doon na marami na siyang ang tawag ito, nag-franchise siya ng TGP Pharmacy. You know what? Ano yung una niya reason? Of course, sa family niya. Second, to help other people. Para magkaroon ng work ang mga tao sa paligid niya. You see? Because you have their mission. So what is that mission na binigay sa'yo ni Lord na kailangan mong gawin? sa tao, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. That nagkakaroon tayo ng responsibility. Okay? And 6 is, ito, this is from Rex Mendoza. Ang sabi niya, you have to conquer your fear. Diba? Because when you forget about your fear, you can accomplish great things. Yung fear kasi sometimes, it's just a state of mind. It's just, minsan ginagamit lang yan ni Satan eh. Nangyayari lang yan dito sa isip natin eh. But in the outside world, it can't happen. Diba? Hindi naman mangyayari most of our fear. So you have to conquer your fear. Kung anumang fear meron ka, fear of being rejected, fear of losing your best friend, fear of losing other people if you stand sa tama, or fear, kahit na nga fear to talk to different people, di ba? So minsan ang dami nating fear, but you have to conquer that fear, di ba? When I started my speaking career, ang dami kong fear, baka hindi makinig sa akin mga tao. Baka ano sabihin nila while I'm speaking, di ba? When I launched my first book, How to Embrace Transformation, meron din akong fear. Baka they will not believe what I have written, di ba? So, ang dami nating fear. But you just do it. Just do it. Okay? And the last, number 7 is, ito, nakuha ko na siya, nabuo ko nung when we were discussing and narinig ko din. Pero mas, nung nasa labas kami ng venue, ang daming OFW na mga G-Leavers, by the way, thank you sa inyo. Nagkukwentuhan kami. Ang sabi namin based na rin sa kanila, what have you learned, put it in action. Okay? So, dapat may gawin ka. After learning, after hearing something, na-challenge ka, then you do it. Okay? So, halimbawa ngayon, after hearing this, after watching this, medyo na-challenge ka, gusto kong baguhin yung buhay ko, Ma'am G, then start doing it. Diba? In 5 seconds, sabi nga ni Rex Mendoza, so yung, you have to make decision in 5 seconds. Yun din na sinasabi ni Mel Robbins, the 5-second rule of life. So, pag wala kang ginawa, when you think of something, you want to do something, after 5 seconds, wala kang ginawa, you will not do it anymore. Okay? Kasi yung brain daw natin, ayaw niya nung may ginagawa tayong kakaiba, nahihirapan ka, mapapahama ka, so gusto niya smooth, di ba? So, kaya kailangan pag meron ka naisip, you just do it. It's either you write something, you call somebody, or get your laptop, di ba? Get your cell phone, start texting someone na involved dun sa gagawin mo, di ba? That's why when pag nagbibiyahe ako like this sa bag ko, hindi pwedeng wala tayong notebook. This one, ballpen. Ang dahil ko nasusulat, kahit nasan ako, kung di sa cellphone ko dito, ang daming learnings, then right now, kaya ako naisip to itong vlog ko na to, kasi naisip ko sa kanila sabi ko, summarize ko kaya yung mga what I've learned. Ito po yung mga sinulat ko kahapon sa IMG. Diba? So, whatever you learned through, by watching TV, o meron ka nakausap, nabasa, put things in action. Kasi pag walang action, baliwala. Diba? Wala lahat. Alright, so these are my 7 learnings sa IMG convention that can help you to reach your financial freedom. Diba? That can help you to be more successful in life. Alright? So, please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin, OFW. Okay? So, kahit hindi OFW ka dito sa mga kaibigan natin sa Pilipinas para matulungan natin sila, ma-inspire sila, just like how you feel right now. Alright, so thank you very much, G-Leavers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!